Assalamu alaikum. So we'll continue our lecture on immunology. We just finished non-specific immunity. Now we'll focus about the specific or adaptive immunity, that is also called as acquired immunity. So as I said, this is a specific defense mechanism, so effective against a particular kind of a microorganism, and it depends upon having it previously exposed. So if any microorganism or any pathogenic organism already exposed to our body, in the second exposure, the immune system will going to respond more aggressively and with enhanced response. So microorganisms that overcome the innate non-specific immunity, they have to encounter the adaptive immunity, and that's why it is called as a second line of defense. And antigens of invading microorganism come in contact with the cell of the immune system. It may be macrophages or lymphocyte, which to initiate the acquired or specific immunity, which may be again of two kinds. One is humoral immunity, and the another one is cell mediated or cellular immunity. So in this case, what happens, if the antigen is exposed to the macrophages or any lymphocyte, they basically present the antigen derived from the pathogenic organism, and then it is showed or presented to the humoral arm or cellular arm of the adaptive immunity, and then body is going to react against it very very specifically. So if you see, or in a summarized form, during the first exposure of the antigen or any microorganism, the antigen presenting cell like macrophages, they will basically make it process this microbes and present it to the cytotoxic T cells, and this cytotoxic T cell will be activated, and then they will going to kill the infected cell or the pathogen, and then this antigen presenting cell, which already exposed to the microbe, they will also work on helper T cell, and this helper T cell will also get activated, and they will be divided into a memory cell as well as more helper T cell, and this again helper T cell is going to work on the B cell also, and this B cell is further going to divide again into more of B cell of the same specificity, which will release more antibody against the same pathogen or having the same antigenic characteristic, and it will also develop into memory B cell, and this memory B cell and memory cytotoxic T cell, these are the two kind of cell going to stay very very long in the blood circulation. And suppose if the next exposure of the same antigen or same pathogen will happen, then these memory cell of B cell and cytotoxic T cell is going to work very fast and with very much high amplitude. So because of that, all the microbial infection or pathogens exposed to the body will be cleared in very less time. So this adaptive immunity, as I said, it is again is made up of two arms, the humoral and the cellular. In the humoral, basically it mainly on the B cell, which develops into plasma cell, which secretes the different antibodies,